everybody, welcome back to the Home Bartender. My name is Anne, and today we are making a cocktail using lavender. I have 10 lavender bushes in my yard, so there's plenty to experiment with. So we are making a lavender margarita today. Ingredients are coming up next. You will need 3/4 of an ounce of my lavender simple syrup, 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice, 1.5 ounces of Reposado Tequila, and for the garnish we'll use 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of salt, and 1 lavender sprig. All right, so I did a little experiment with this margarita and I infused Reposado Tequila with lavender, but that seemed to really bring the astringent qualities of the lavender out, which I did not want in the cocktail. I also made a Demerara simple syrup with lavender, and the molasses notes sort of overpowered the lavender. It was just too sweet, and I really wasn't looking for that in the first place. I think a margarita should be very simple. So therefore, I also took out the orange component with the cointreau that you usually have in a margarita because I wasn't looking for that in this cocktail. So what I ended up with was some Reposado Tequila and my lavender simple syrup. So right now, let's rim this glass with my salt, sugar, and lavender mixture. And we're gonna do that by using our lime and getting that all over the outside of the glass. And then I'm gonna push that and rim the glass with my salt and sugar mixture. I like the salt and sugar mixture better than just salt. And I used a regular table salt for that. So now let's mix the cocktail. Let's get this over here and this. So we're gonna use 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. And then we'll have 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. And then 1.5 ounces of the Reposado Tequila. All right, I'm gonna get some ice in this tin and shake it up. Okay, let's strain that into our glass. First, I'm gonna put some ice in there. I think that'll work best. Just a couple of these little square pieces of ice are nice. And then if you wanted to, you could even put a piece of lavender sprig right on the top. But I think this is really nice this way. So that is the lavender margarita. I really like Reposado Tequila a lot for this cocktail. It's got a nice warm flavor and a texture. It's a bit sweeter than like the regular Blanco. So let's try this cocktail now. I like that sugar salt rim. And actually the lavender on there is really nice too. If I had put a little sprig of lavender on the top, that would have been good to sort of bring out those oils, but it's really nice. The lavender is not overwhelming. It doesn't taste like soap. It's not too much lime here. Sometimes you get margaritas and they're just super tart and it's just way too much lime. But this is really nice. It's balanced. And it's a great way to use your lavender from your garden if you have 10 plants like I do. That's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you'll join me next week for another great cocktail. Be well.